can see that it just goes kind of up. See some cool spots and some cool areas to record and take pictures. It looks like it goes down, so I'm just gonna come and check that out, see what I see down there. I initially was gonna go up this route. See something blue there out of the abnormal, but this looks like it goes down, so I'm gonna go see where this takes me. Some cool little overlooks over here. I'm gonna go see how far this is gonna take me. And definitely a trail. Maybe what used to be Pacific Crest Trail or some other area. This might actually be the old remnants of the Angeles Crest Trail, because it seems somewhat established and at least maintained some time ago. But you get some beautiful views of Bear and Pacifico from here. So definitely used to be maintained, because looks like the Forest Service cut some of the trees down here. So some maybe old, but I don't know. I think this leads up to a trail that comes up from Winston Ridge. I've seen some trail that I had no idea where it came from, and it actually might be that trail, so we'll find out shortly. This looks like where the trail seems to die, because it's starting to go like straight down. I'm gonna see if maybe I could find something, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like a use trail from here on, so I have to check the GPS and make sure that it's logging and I can find my way back safely, because I don't know where I'm going right now. It just looks like a use trail or a game trail right now. Up that way will take me to Winston Peak the hard way, and right now I'm not trying to do that because I got about 2 hours of daylight. I don't know if this goes anywhere, to be honest with you, so I'm going to look a little bit ahead and see where it takes me, because if not, I'm going to take an insane elevation gain going up to Winston. Well, it's a cool little trail, but doesn't seem to go anywhere, so I'm going to head back. But it is beautiful here, stunning actually. So I'm like double checking to see maybe I missed something, but it seems to just keep going behind me. Alright, so I made it back to the road, and I'm going to try to go up to Winston via this way, the stupid way. So I made it on top to the, just the beginning of it's like over. Look all of this, and man, I'm out of breath. So I'm going to Winston Peak the stupidest way I can think of. And the road is on the other side of this damn little hill over here. I'm going to go show you guys in a sec. Decided to take a rest here, but I'm going at a snail's pace. I have to go up that way, and I'm going hella slow. I've killed about an hour and a half for half a mile. Winston Peak, the beautiful way, is also the stupid way. I may be hiking in the dark, at least on the road, but I'm gonna go back down the road. At least I know that trail by heart. I made it to the top of the knob. That's what I'm gonna call this thing, Winston Knob. It's beautiful here. Windy. I'm gonna keep going up to Winston Peak. I got good time, so I'm gonna jog a little bit, get there as soon as I can. So I'm at the knob, that's what I'm gonna call this one, Winston Knob, and I'm almost to Winston Peak. I'm not recording that much because I'm trying to make it up there by 7 p.m. so I have plenty of daylight to come back down and take pictures and whatnot. I'm exhausted. Man, I've been burning calories here. Woo! Or I'm gonna keep going. So I believe I'm almost to Winston Peak here. I think it's this over here. Let me check the GPS, and God, I feel much better. It's all flat here and beautiful. Check out the views and the beauty. Love it here. Here's a trail junction coming up from Pacific Crest Trail Junction meeting down there. I think Cloudburst Summit, so I'm gonna go down that way. And that's Winston Peak right here. So I made it to Winston Peak here, and I wanted you guys to see these views. Hopefully it's not too windy, but it's beautiful here. I've been here hundreds of times. Not that many, but quite a few. Went up that way to Winston Ridge, and wouldn't recommend it. I recommend going the other way, the easy way, to catch all the three Winstons. That's what I'm gonna call them: Winston Rocks, Winston Knob, and Winston Peak. That's what I'm gonna name them on Peak Bagger, because they deserve a name. They definitely deserve a name. Yeah, guys and gals, I'll catch you next adventure.
Yo, it's Victor.